In this video, we're going to be adding this 2-inch pod light from Diode Dynamics to the Silverado, but it might be going somewhere that you wouldn't really expect. So let's get into it. This is the 2-inch hitch mount light cube from Diode Dynamics. And with that obviously means it's going to go right here in the hitch of the truck. We also have a factory style harness for this because it's completely plug and play. This one is specifically for 2019 and newer Chevy Silverados. So should just be able to plug these in, put this in, plug it in, and have us a nice little light on the back of the truck. What I'm really looking forward to is this offers an additional reverse light when you've got the truck in reverse. So that's obviously going to help backing up at night. Visibility, always important. It also offers an additional tail light and brake light as well because it hooks into the tail light harnesses. So let's get this installed. We'll get up under the truck, show you where these go, and then we'll give it a little test and see what it looks like. Alright, so we're now under the truck looking up at the passenger side. So this is the passenger side light harness right here. We just need to get this out. Just like almost any other harness, there's a pull tab to release the locking mechanism, and then you got to squeeze down to release it. But these tend to really kind of stick in the harnesses. I'm trying to use a pair of pliers to help me grip it a little bit here while I'm squeezing that tab. There we go. There we go. Got that to release finally. All right, so now we got that out. Let's take a look at the harness for the light. This orange harness here that has the available cover for it is the one that goes into the pod light itself. And then on the other ends you have the two tail light connectors. So you've got 1 and 2, and really it shouldn't fully matter which one you plug in where. They should function the same. Basically it's just going to be whichever one you plug in on the passenger side, you run the other end to the driver's side, and then that should be all you need to do. So we're going to get these hooked in place, and then we'll plug in the light and make sure it's working before we get everything kind of buttoned up. Alright, so we're going to plug this end of the harness here into the side of the harness that's coming from the truck. Get that tucked back up into place. And then we've got the tail light side of the harness that's going to plug into the other end of the T-splitter here. Now we'll run the harness over to the driver's side and hook that one up the same way. Alright, so I'm going to feed this cable through here, plug it into the pod light. For the pod light, it's got these tabs that will actually pop into the holes on the hitch to hold it in place. So you can go like that. Before we test it, I will mention, I'll get this out really quick. It comes with an additional shell for 2.5-inch hitches as well. So this one is the 2-inch shell. It also has an additional one for 2.5, just to let you know. So I'll pop that in. Looks good. Very flush right there. So let's check it out and see if it works.
been in the darkness.
Now that we've tested and make sure everything's working, I'm going to tie up the wires underneath, and then we'll switch tonight and see what it looks like in the dark.
Searching for holy flames, a sign to light up the way. So can you help me out? Can you help me out? I've been more certain of truth before. I've been called a righteous man before. Yeah, I've been closer to Jesus before. So can you help me out? Oh, can you help me out? Am I on my own? Am I on my own?
Now that we've tested everything and we've shown how the light looks at night to get that extra visibility, I do want to mention, I know some of y'all may be curious about this from a theft standpoint, since all it does is kind of slide in and click into place. But this is actually designed, and Diode Dynamics does state this on their website, to where you can trim the clips out of this right here so that you can run a locking pin through the entire thing and lock it in place. That is probably what I will end up doing to mine. I will probably use my locking pin, but for the time being, I am just going to go ahead and snap this in. And then in the next day or so, whenever I feel like it, I'll come out and cut those and run the locking pin through it. That does it for the Diode Dynamics hitch mounted rear light. I hope you enjoyed it, and if it's something you think that you would like to have for your truck, you can order them from Diode Dynamics. They did not sponsor this video or send the product. This was just something I saw on their website and thought was cool and wanted to do a video on. If you want to see some other lights that I've installed on the truck, I have a video where I installed some lights in the bed of the truck, some additional lighting to go with the factory cargo lighting. So you can check that one out in the video right here in the corner. If you found this video helpful and thought the item featured in this video was cool, give the video a thumbs up or a comment down below. I would really appreciate it. It really helps out the channel. And if you're not already subscribed, please make sure to do that as well. More videos will be coming out in the future for more products for the Silverado. For now, thanks for watching. This is Southpaw Garage signing out.